How to fix keyboard typing wrong characters on Windows 10, 11, or 8. So if you want to fix the keyboard typing wrong characters on your Windows, then to fix that problem, so if you're facing that problem and if your keyboard is not typing correctly, so to fix that, you need to open up your Windows and then you can go for Settings tab. So once you've opened your Settings application, now here on the left, you will have Time in Language option. Click on Time in Language. Once you click on that, you will get many options like date and time, language and region, typing, and then speech. So if you click on the second option, which is language and region, you will again get a bunch of options like your country or your region, your regional format, your related settings like typing, administrative language settings, Windows backup. Here you need to click on typing under your related settings, and under your typing you will have typing inside your touch keyboard, your all of these options, right? So you will have all of these options under your typing. Under your typing you need to simply go for language, and under this you need to go for language and region, and here you need to go for add a language, and you need to add a language like, for example, I'll be adding English US. So click on that and then click on next, and then you need to add a language. So click on install and install the language. And once you've installed or once you've added the language, now you need to again go for time and language, and then you need to go for typing, and here you need to go for advanced keyboard settings, and under this you will have use language list recommended. So click on that, and then you have added the English US language, right? So you need to click on the English US language. So from here, if you have added 2 or 3 languages, then you can simply select the language, and then you can change and see which works for you. So for most of us, this will fix our problem, or for a few of us, which I mean, if it doesn't work, what you can do is please make sure that here it is correctly selected. And once you've done, you need to simply go and right click on that Windows, and then you need to go for device manager, and under this you will have this kind of tab. You need to go for the keyboards option, and under your keyboards here you will have your standard keyboard, right? You may have 1 or 2 keyboards, so I have the standard one. So if you're using a built-in keyboard, then you will have the HID option. You can click on HID, or if you're having the external keyboard, then you can choose the standard keyboard. So even if you're using your laptop, you can select the standard PS2 keyboard. Just right click on that, and then you can go for update drivers, and then select browse my computer for drivers, and then go for let me pick for and then go for let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then you can choose your driver, and you need to simply click on that driver, and you need to install the drivers. And once you've installed, you need to close that, and then you can again right click on that and go for properties. So here you need to go for the driver section, and then under your driver section you will have rollback driver. So if it is highlighted for you, or if you can roll back the driver, that will be also very helpful if you have keyboard problems, or especially keyboard typing wrong character problem. So you can also do that, and once you're done, just restart the computer, and once you've restarted, now your problem will be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.